Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a Zoom passcode for your meetings. This is an essential security feature that prevents uninvited guests from joining your virtual meetings and keeps your conversations private. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Zoom account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your meeting settings and security options. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. Here you'll find various navigation options for managing your Zoom account. Click on Meetings to view all your scheduled and upcoming meetings. This section is your central hub for creating and editing meeting details. Now, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled plus Schedule a Meeting. Click on this button to begin creating a new meeting. This will open up a form where you can customize all the details for your upcoming session. The first thing you'll need to do is type in your topic name. This is essentially the title of your meeting, so make it descriptive enough that participants will know what the session is about. For instance, you might call it Team Weekly Check-in or Client Project Review. Next, choose when you want your meeting to take place and what time it should start. You'll see calendar and time selection options that make this straightforward. After setting the date and time, select your time zone from the drop-down menu. This ensures that all participants see the correct meeting time regardless of where they're located. Now, here's the crucial part. Scroll down through the meeting settings until you find the security section. Right beside the word security, you'll notice a field labeled Passcode. This is where you'll create your meeting's protection. Click in this field and type your preferred passcode. Make sure to choose something memorable but secure enough to keep unwanted guests out. Once you've entered your passcode and filled in all other necessary meeting details, click the Save button. At this point, you'll need to wait a moment while Zoom generates your meeting and processes all the information you've provided. The page might refresh or show a loading indicator, so just give it a few seconds to complete. After everything is saved, locate the security section again in your meeting details. You'll see an option that says Show next to your passcode information. Click Show to reveal your passcode. This allows you to verify what you've created and makes it easy to share with your intended participants. And that's it. You've successfully created a Zoom meeting with a secure passcode that will help protect your virtual space. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.